back with another Dollar Tree video. Yeah, we got a lot of new finds and I'm so excited. So let's just make sure we're all subscribed and let's jump in. So the first thing is the Must Have Beauty Mini Cosmetic Puffs. Reusable plastic container too. So you get all the mini little puffs with the container, which I like. I love these for like under the eye powder and stuff. So got these. Then we got some new charms for the hand sanitizer cases. So we got these little charms. And then our new cases are these really the light pink. It's the little like gingham heart. How cute is that? And then little cherries, which is so cute. So we got those two new cases. Then I got another one of these moisturizing lip balms. These are fantastic. So got that. Then these Bic color cues, channel your mood with colors. I love these pens. They write so good. So got these. And then how cute is this notebook? I just had to. And it's like puffy. I don't know why I'm doing that. But I thought this was so cute. So I got that. So that's bag number one. Next bag. So we got the Pro Silk Body 24-hour moisturizing body lotion and pistachio paradise. So we got this. It smells super good. So you get a lot in here too. So we picked this up. Then we got this new picture frame. This is from the Father's Day collection, and it was $1.50, but it's still so cute. So we got that. And those picture frame prices now are, don't even get me started. Anyway, then we got the Spa Ash Skincare Day and Night Moisturizing Mask. I'm obsessed with the skincare collection. It is fabulous. So we got the moisturizer mask. We got the Makeup Melting Lava Oil Moisturizer. We got the Everything Hydrating Balm, which is great. I have it right here. It's so good. I'm yawning so much. I just woke up. And then it's the Balancing Toner Serum Spray. So you shake it to activate it. And then we have the Yuzu and Vitamin C Powerhouse Serum. This collection is 100 out of 100 for me. Then we got the Stitch 4-piece meal prep container. BPA free. I can never pronounce that. So you just get 4 little pieces in here. Super cute. You know, good for like traveling, whatever. So we got that. Trying to balance it so it doesn't fall. Then I'm gonna dig in the next bag actually. Okay, so we have the moisturizing hand sanitizer in Pink Kiwi Splash, which smells so good. And then we have the berries and cream, and they're the glitter ones. How cute. So we have those two. Then of course we're gonna do all the shoe charms. So we have this set. We have this set. Okay, that's the rest are at the bottom of the pile. Then we have these Ink Clip Clicks 10 ballpoint pens. I love pens because I journal all the time. So when I saw this whole multi-pack, I was just intrigued. So I grabbed this, of course, because I had to have it. Now I swear, do you ever feel like when you're shopping, you misplace something, or is it just me? Okay, then next up, we got the Spa Essentials Deep Collagen Overnight Hydrogel Mask. Melts into the skin. Made in Korea. Korean skincare is fantastic, so if it says made in Korea, I will grab it skincare-wise. So we got this. I'm so sorry that I keep yawning. I'm not tired. But we got this overnight hydrogel mask. Then we got this pillow scrunchie, and this is definitely a new color. It's like beige, and I love this color, and it goes with my hair, so I got that. Then I got these Must Have Beauty French Manicure Collection press-on nails, self-adhesive. I didn't realize these were self-adhesive, and my birthday's tomorrow, which by the time you guys are watching this, my birthday passed, but I want to do my nails, so I got these to do my nails. So I got this set, and then I got this set. This set is more like cuter. This one's more kind of, So I'm probably going to do this set tonight for my birthday tomorrow. So we got that. Okay, and then we got this new Be Pure lip stain. This is in Willow. I'm obsessed with this color. So we got that. Then my all-time favorite lip mask. Whenever I see it, I love this. This is pink and red. These are so good. So we grabbed these. Because, you can never have too many lip masks. So they say. Then we got the hand sanitizer case, the glitter one with the diamond on it. How cute is that? So got that. Then where am I at? Okay. Then this is another diamond. And these cases do fit the Dollar General hand sanitizers and the Walmart, just so you guys know. So it's not just the DT ones that they fit. Then we got this 2-pack of brushes in this maroon color. Here, let me just take it out of the packaging. It's so much easier. So yeah, whenever I see like the 2-pack brushes, I immediately grab them. You can never go wrong with 2 brushes. So it's by the Keranique Women's Hair Growth. That's what it's by. So we get this kind of brush. Okay, that's nice. So we get that brush. And then we get this brush. It's in a plastic packaging, so don't mind me. This brush. So got those set of 2 brushes. Super nice, especially for gift giving and stuff. So got that. Then more shoe charms. We got these little Game On ones. How adorable. Then Self Love Club. Then whatever you want to call that set. Gamer, I don't know. And that's the same one. And then this one. So there's those. Oh, and then the last different one is this. Super cute. Then I did get 3 of the little glitter rubber duckies toys. So I'm going to open them and come back and see what we got. Alright, number 1 duck. Oh, yay, look how cute. So just a little glitter ducky. So we have that one. Then we have the red one. How pretty. And then the last one is Mr. Green. So I'm definitely gonna put them up back there. Yeah, so we literally got Christmas ducks. How funny is that? Okay, and then the last part of this video is going to be doing the new Ioni Dolly collection. So I'm super stoked. Okay, we have the new Ioni Dolly collection. So the first thing we got, Dolly's Adventure. So the cream blush, cute and compact, buildable and blendable, and this one is in Blossom. So it's definitely a pinky color. And look at that. So cream blush in Blossom. Then we have the cream blush in Peachy. This one's definitely more orangey. This one's definitely probably my favorite because it's more orangey. I like sometimes an orangey blush. So we got that. Sorry, I keep showing the wrong sides. We got that one. Then we have the last cream blush, and this is in Dolly Berry, which is a red. So I feel like more red. And I don't think this can be, use, okay, yeah, it's just for your cheeks and lips. You can use all three of these on your cheeks and lips, which I love when it's a, gives us a duo. Then for lips, we have the Strawberry Swirl Gloss in red, non-sticky, mirror shine, hydrating, lightweight, paraben-free, vegan, cruelty-free. So how cute is that? So that on. We got that. And then we got another Strawberry Swirl, but this one is in grape. And it's pink. So that one's red, and this one is pink grape. Oh, and they have glitter, which I'm obsessed with the glitter. So we got that. Then we got the tinted lip balm in Bunny Coral. That one. Then we have the last tinted lip balm in Bunny Fuchsia. And it looks like there's a tint of glitter in these, but I can't really tell. Like, I don't know. So we got that one. Then we got the brow gel in Dolly Clear, which I love a good brow gel. It looks like a mascara, which is kind of cool, I guess. So we got that. And then our last two things. Also, there is a whole eyelash collection, eyeliner, and mascara, and a whole nail thing and the whole thing. But of course, I didn't get any of that. I just got the makeup stuff, face stuff. So this is the holographic glow drops. So if you want to glow, you put these on, it says. So we got that. And then we got the Dolly Glow setting spray. So yeah, this is just the makeup part. I didn't do eyes or the nails. But yeah, there's lashes, eyeliners, and all nail stuff. But I'm definitely going to do a full video doing a full face using this collection because I want to try it. But that concludes this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely have some more to film, but I'm going to wait till tomorrow, my birthday, because I'm going to be in full glow up mode. So yeah, my voice is gone. But don't forget to subscribe. Please share the channel, share the video. You guys don't want to miss my other hauls. Subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.